Okay, today we're taking a look at 12103 Maple Rock Drive. It's 4,600 square feet of living space on a beautiful street with million-dollar homes on left and right, all over the place, actually. Got a little courtyard here. You walk into the entrance, stairs to the left, going upstairs. To right, a little coat closet here. Go a little bit to the right here, you walk into the study. Has its own fireplace, and the electrical still works. The recessed lighting that was recently done has its own fireplace. Look at that brickwork, lots of natural light. Walks in, you go in here to the master bedroom, big master bedroom. All the dimensions are below. Okay, when you look at that look from the master study, now we walk into the master bath, and it is huge. Look at this master bath. His and her closets to the left and right. Big master bathroom, big garden tub, big glass shower. And we've got new plumbing too, as you can see there. Recessed lighting throughout the entire house. Okay, we're walking back out. We are going to the has like a sunroom here, just outside the master bedroom, overlooking 1 acre of land. It's humongous. And the survey is attached below, or just email me. I'll walk right over here to the living room. Look, notice the very high ceilings, 14-foot ceilings. Notice the recessed lighting. It's about $35 to $50 a light. And there's about 150 light bulbs here. Another fireplace with stone. Look at that workmanship. $46,000 in new windows. Look at that view. Just open living, dining area, stepping down. Just beautiful with all that natural light coming through. I would like to open this up if you don't notice. Just everything, you put another 8 by 8 right there. Open that up, put an island. Jesus, it'd be beautiful. Just big open area with a big island right here in the center, overlooking just living, dining, kitchen. It'll work fine. And that framing would only be about probably $500 to do that. Maybe 700 with the 8 by 8. Just beautiful. All right, let's take a look at this again. Look at that. It's a big post. This is the post that you should put over there. Let's walk over here. Let's go upstairs. Take a look upstairs. Everything is in good condition structurally. Go upstairs real quick. Look at that. This is your view from this upstairs. And as soon as you go up, this view down. Let's take a look. Everything is good condition. Yeah, it's second. Okay, so now we're in the game room. The game room's pretty big. As I mentioned, the dimensions are below. Some more closet space. You can never have enough closet space. You go a little bit further this way. You got another full bathroom. Everything's in good condition. This is your second bedroom out of four. Excuse the mess. Every bedroom has its own closet, and which is a must. Recessed lighting again everywhere, and more little just linen space and sheets. This is your third bedroom out of four. People, original owners here for 40 plus years and built it. This is another bathroom, making your third bathroom out of 3.5 baths. Just needs a little bit of tile work. And the fourth bedroom. Now, as I mentioned, the dimensions are below. Take a look at the outside. This is the outside on the left side near the garage. All the brickwork is excellent condition. Let's walk into the garage. Garage is a 2.5 car garage with a work area. If you want to do some workman area, it's a very, very, very large. So you can work in here if you want to have your wool table and saws. And there's even recessed lighting and new electrical in here. Walk out here to the back yard. Oh, now that fence there, that's our land goes way past that, and you can look on the survey and tell, and it goes past the pond, around there, past the behind. So it goes behind all three houses, and just stretches out past that little pond. Lots of wood out there. If you just imagine this just cleaned up, it's just gonna look beautiful. We possibly may have it cleaned up if we don't get buyer in the next couple of days. We'll just clean it up ourselves. It's not a big deal. Take a couple of $100. So yeah, our property line goes way past that. This fence right here. We bought that lot there. Even this fence is too far. We have to tell the owner he put his fence too far back. So yeah, he's on our property. Just about 4 feet, but that adds up. And it goes way back there. Look at all that land. That's the back of the house. And that's new Hardy board too. The Hardy plank cement was just put up a few years ago, along with about $50,000 worth of new windows. And it's very energy efficient. He says it's about $150 a month during the summer because of the insulation that was put in the new windows. And it has three zones and three air conditions. And it is sitting on about 4 feet of a cement foundation. That's just the deck area. So yeah, the deck is sitting up with some wood, but the house itself and the garage are sitting on 4 feet of cement, as you can see there. Do you see it? Yeah, it's a lot of cement supporting this. This is the way the old structure was in the 80s. Cement used to be very cheap. You can even see it underneath the house here. You see it underneath there? Pointing into it? Yeah, that's all the house. So it's very, very, very high. The only reason why it flooded because they released the reservoir. Talk to you guys soon. God bless.